Can you do it again? Come on. You're not going to do it again, are you? You gonna do it? No, you're just gonna chew? Okay, I appreciate you not standing up again, but it was kind of... I think your feet are stuck now, ever since you fell back down. Oh, if you could get over in that corner, that would make life a little easier. Whoa! I see stars!